CDL air brake inspection. My system fully charged, around 120 psi. I am ready to my air brake test. Engine off, ignition on. First test, leak test. Press brake, release tractor and trailer brakes, and wait, then system stabilized. Arrows stop moving. System already stabilized. Now I have to wait 1 minute and leak no more than 4 psi per minute. Start to count down. Засекаем минуту и ждем. Например, минута прошла. Говорим, I have no more leak than 4 psi per minute. System works properly. Next test, lower pressure emergency device. Around 60 psi, my emergency lights and buzzers must turn on. Start to drop air. Press and depress brake. Lights on, buzzers on, system works properly. Now I will check my emergency spring brakes. Between 40 and 20 psi, my emergency spring brakes must pop out automatically. Drop off air, press and depress brake. Both knobs pops out, system works properly. Now I need build up again my pressure. Safety start engine, position neutral, brakes on, start engine. To accelerate this process, keep your RPM between 10 and 15. Hazard off, lights off, pressure more than 60, system works properly. Governor cuts off, system fully charged, my governor works properly, air compressor works properly. Now I will check my parking, trailer and handbrake. Press the brake, turn the drive and release trailer brake for the check parking brake. And try to move. A little bit press the gas. Okay, Truck didn't move. My parking brake works properly. Now I will check the trailer brake. Release parking brake. And try to move. A little bit press the gas. Truck didn't move. My trailer brake works properly. Now I will check my handbrake. Turn handbrake. Release trailer brake. Parking brake already released. Try to move. A little bit accelerate. Truck didn't move. My handbrake works properly. Turn the neutral. Turn on all brakes. Release handbrake. And we are lost a pressure. I need build up again my system. To accelerate this process, keep your RPM between 10 and 15. Governor cuts off, system fully charged, and now I will check my service brake. Turn the drive, release tractor and trailer brakes, and keep going under 5 miles per hour, around 10-15 feet. Truck fully stopped. My service brake works properly. Speedometer works properly. Truck doesn't lean left or right. I am finished.